Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix FC24 anti-cheat errors on the game, failure during update process, or EA anti-cheat service encountered an error. Right, so the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up your disk where your game is installed, and then you need to, for me, it's program files, then EA games here, then it should be FC24, and then you need to go to installer, easy anti-cheat, and then you should see here easy anti-cheat installer. So we need to right click, run administrator as administrator, and then you should see this message here. So what you need to do here is to select FC24, then you need to select update, and if the update is successful here, you should see update check success. You need to try the game, and if it doesn't work, then you need to press repair, press OK, and select the game folder here. So for me is on here disk C, program files, EA games, and you need to select this folder here. And then when basically repair is completed, you should see install success, and then you need to try the game. And if this doesn't work, then you need to again right click on the installer, then you need to select the game as well here, then you need to press uninstall, and then you need to install again. Then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, sometimes it can cause corrupted game files, and to fix that you just need to open up your app where you got the game. For me, I got from EA, so I just need to press on the game, then go manage, and then repair. So if the game has some corrupted files, they will be fixed. If you got the game on Epic Games, for example, you need to go to library, right click on the game, go to manage, verify files. And if you got it on the Steam, then you need to go to library, then you need to select the game, right click on it, properties, and then install files and verify integrity of the game files. And sometimes if the problem persists, sometimes it can cause the problem basically EA app cache files. And to do so, you just need to clear your EA app cache files. So you need to press on this button here, then you need to go to help, and then you need to select app recovery and clear EA app cache files. And if this doesn't work, the last thing that you can do here, you need to press Windows Anarchy, or simply you just need to unsearch write run, and then here you need to write msinfo32, and you will open up this window here, and then you need to make sure that secure boot state is on. If it's on, nothing you can do about it, but if it's off, you can turn that on. And for all computers is different how you can basically enable secure boot. So what you need to do here is to just go on Google and then just write how to enable secure boot for example Acer laptop, right? And then you need to look for your particular laptop how you can enable secure boot, and when you through BIOS, and when you enable it, basically you should not get any errors to that as well. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.